Today is May 19th, 2021. It is one of the most iconic days in the history of crypto. First and foremost, I am not a financial advisor and I do this for entertainment purposes only. Secondly, I am in the jungle. I am the voice of Mr. Dungles here on YouTube. Earlier hours of the day on said date of May 19th, 2021, many of us woke up to profiles, messages, everyone texting and DMing and private messaging. It's here. The bear market has come upon us. I'd like to share with you my views and my opinions. You should always have an exit strategy. As I've been saying since day one, you should always be able to take profits, put yourself in a position to win, and put yourself in a position to gain more coinage when these drops and dips happen. Most of you will not listen to this whole video, and that's one of the biggest problems you have in cryptocurrency, is you make two trades and you think you're the, godfather of crypto, or you bought into, Mooncash 579 and made 1,000 into 10,000, and all of a sudden, all your buddies are out in the patio talking over some grills and some hamburgers and shrimp, how you made it and, all that. Then you wake up to come and find that Wednesday morning on May 19th, 2021, indeed, you did not make such great decisions because you did not take profits, because you did not put yourself in a position to win. So now you find yourself sweating, shitting, diarrhea, having heart palpitations. What are you going to do? It's simple. It really is. It's not something out of the ordinary. We've been covering on this channel for so long that we anticipated 2 to 3 major drops. This is one of them, even though researchers will say that in January, around that period, we had one similar to this, and I think in the month of February, that's when it actually was. We're still getting the details squared out. Maybe not to the magnitude of it, but it was relatively the same. What makes this so impactful on your life? Again, hear the whole stream, hear the whole message, because this is important to your life. If you don't give a fuck about money, and you don't care about what happens to your money, then fine. Go to a moon channel that's going to tell you everything's fine and dandy, or go to its channel that's telling you everything's done. Here, I'm going to give you the necessary information, hopefully, so you can educate yourself and put yourself in a position to win. I can't make the decisions for you. No one can make the decisions for you. You cannot continue to blame others. I heard this person, I heard that person, this person said this. How about you take accountability for what you did on your device, on your computer, on your tablet? See, no one's going to give it to you real. This video probably won't even get 200 or 300 views. And I don't care about the views. I don't care about the subscribers. I don't care about those numbers. I care about the people that have subscribed, that actually listen to this stuff and have succeeded. And in the comment section below, you'll see them because they're in every video commenting. Without further ado, and without giving you guys another life lesson, let's get straight to it. Bitcoin needs to hit some hurdles on the way to the top. Yes, you heard that right. We need to hit hurdles. It's not going to be a straight shot like many people anticipate. So many people are saying, okay, we're going to go here, and all of a sudden we're going to go like this really fast, and boom. I'm sorry, but that's not the way it works. Let's get to what is healthy right now. Pulling up the 24-hour chart here on the Bitcoin, according to coincodex.com, you can see that we are in a V formation. If you Google this, just put V formation trading signal or trading pattern. You'll be able to see healthy, healthy. This is healthy, healthy. We are still in roller coaster months. For the longest time, we've been warning you that there's going to be roller coaster months. I think you guys thought this was going to be the roller coaster. That's it. No. Roller coaster. And then you're going to see what happens. I think that the market corrects. Again, my personal opinion. Do your own research. Do your own analysis. My personal opinion is the market will start fully correcting around a 70 or 80% correction to the upside within 10 days. Everybody just wants it to be over. They're saying for another dip. If there is another dip, I anticipate it to go down near that $27,000 range and then go back up. A lot of people are spreading around saying that this was a conspiracy to do this, to take this person out, that high-level people, individuals, blah, blah, blah. Whether that's true or not, you should not be worrying about that because there's still money to be made. Look at this. V formation. Candles, the way I've explained it to you guys time and time again. Time and time again. Okay? Red, green, we're going up. This is normal, and I'm going to show you why I say this is normal so you guys can have a better understanding. On the way here, see? 1, 2, you had a sideways, and you still moved up. And you can make it this way so you can see it more, actually. So if you were to put this graph here and compare, you bottomed out. Red-green means we're going up. Red-green, we're going to continue upwards momentum. Doesn't mean we can't have a red-red, and then we can have more downside, of course. Or we can have a green, red, and then red-red down. Then we are in a bit of danger. My TA might not be the best, it might not be the cleanest, it might not be that, but it sure as heck provides some amazing information. What do I want to say with it? Because this isn't a video about, hey, what can Dungles say or what can Dungles do? Dogecoin, 37 cents. That should signify something. That one of the shittiest coins on the planet is still above 8 cents. Bitcoin Cash has rebounded nicely. I've talked about this before. You want to see the beautiful V pattern? Boom. We went all the way down to around 582, came up, had another dip, 678, and then we've been roller coastering our way up and expect dips. Can there be a chance for a major dip? Yes. Good coins that I am putting in my portfolio at these prices. I'm doing Ethereums. I'm doing Cardano. I'm doing Matic. I'm doing Solana. I'm doing XLM. I'm doing for 100% VET. Theta is a steal. You can double this as soon as the markets recover. I mean, Theta is at 647. We have an 80%, 90% correction within 10 days. Theta can be back at $11, $12. Just saying, again, not financial advice. It's just my opinion, but I want you guys to succeed. I have faith that you will succeed. Seeing shit like this, I don't like. There's no reason that should be there. BitTorrent, before everybody starts hating and saying, listen, I have money in shitcoins too. I've made money with shitcoins, yes, but let's get away from the shitcoins and get into the coins that are going to produce you money for the long term, that are going to be something impacted to society. Crypto is not a get-rich-get-quick scheme, and these little fuckers right here make it seem that way. Losing credibility, and people woke up today and lost thousands of tens of thousands of dollars because they panic sold, then they sold. They bought in at, for example, $15 and then sold at $10, and then the market started rebounding and bought back at, what? $13, causing loss. BitTorrent, still on my radar, strong as fuck. H-bar. Pay attention to H-bar. Again, pay attention to H-bar. SNX is a steal. Hello? Anybody home? So, again, Telcoin 3 cents. You saw what it did. Let's go over some more. Zilliqa's good. I want to pull up Tron real quick, which I think it's over here somewhere. We're at 8.5. We've had a semi-decent bounce back, but it did test 7 cents, it looks like. Boom. You can follow me on Twitter at mdungles. You can follow me on Instagram at MISTER Dungles. Not the MR one, but Mr. Dungles spelt out. You can also follow me on Snapchat for a chance to enter my paid Snapchat group. Not everybody gets allowed in. It goes off of an interview, and then we go off the rest. Mr. Dungles 2024, you can reach me there. Last but not least, I want you guys to please, for the love of God, start taking notes, start writing down your goals, start taking profits. Again, not advice, just something that I feel is important would be you taking notes, you writing down your goals. I have peoples from all walk of life messaging, and they all ask, what should I do? What can I do better? The answer lies within yourself. No other person can decide for you. We do not give financial advice. You know what we do? We share with you what we do. Is there room for more growth? Yes. Is there a risk for a downtrend? Yes. Do I see us exceeding under or going below 27,000 in terms of Bitcoin? No. Can it happen? Yes. Can this all be done and we head into a bear market? At this point, that's on the table, even though I don't believe it's going to happen. And I believe it is a minimal chance that that were to happen. So I want you guys to please, again, take time, put your phone down, leave your portfolios. Do not continue to buy high, sell low. For example, last night you bought at 18 cents. This morning you woke up, depending on where you woke up, because East Coast dumped first and West Coast dumped. You dumped at 9 cents. That's a 9-cent loss. That's 50% loss. Then you bought back here because you thought at 14.5 because you thought it was going back up. And then, boom. What you can do in scenarios like this is swing trade. But you got to be very, very careful. Not leverage trade, but swing. Why do I say swing? For the simple fact. You saw this height, you probably said, you know what, we know it's going to come back down. You saw it wick down, screw it. I'm going to try to catch it around 14. Hold on, because behind this coin is VET. So even if this were to explode up, you could still run those monies that you take out into VET, gather a higher position at VET, and move it up. Then you wait for the dips. You knew the dip was coming. Boom, let me buy it at, I don't know, X amount. So, actually not right there, but boom, and then X amount. Because this is really something that a lot of people could do. But I do it based on 4 hours. That's a 4 hour right there, because that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Right now, we are indecisive of what's going to happen. Hour 1, shit. Hour 2, down. Hour 3, looking good. Hour 4, looking like it doesn't know what it's going to do. I see a big little bit of a push coming up before UTC time, which would be around 8 p.m. ETC, and everybody wants to know where this is going. So in my humble opinion, not financial advice, I think we will recover. I think we will have a 10-day period where we have sideways actions, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards. But I think within 10 days, we can see a nice flow of Bitcoin back at its good price. Ethereum is still very, very healthy. XRP, Bitcoin Cash. You got to look at some of the longer coins that have been standing. They're still standing pretty fucking strong. As always, I love you guys. You guys mean the world to me. If you like the stream, if you don't like it, hit that like, dislike, subscribe, or unsubscribe. I really don't give a fuck. But hopefully you got something of value. God bless you. I love you. Jesus loves you. We're out.